Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add my story in IMO. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your IMO app and tap on add a story. And tap on allow. Now you can select any photo or video from your gallery. You can take instant photo by tapping on camera. Also you can type a status by tapping on text. So right now I'm going to uploading a photo from my gallery and I'm tapping on done. And here you can successfully added my story. And to delete your story, tap on this delete icon to the right hand corner, tap on OK. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.